So which compound wins the battle in your body? The answer depends on timing, quantity, and your individual caffeine sensitivity. By the end, you'll know when green tea helps sleep and when it hinders it. But first, you need to understand the complex chemical reactions happening inside every cup you drink. Two powerful compounds enter your bloodstream within minutes, but they're working against each other in ways that will surprise you. L-theanine and caffeine race through your system, creating opposite effects that your body must somehow balance. While L-theanine crosses your blood-brain barrier to calm excited neurons, caffeine blocks adenosine receptors, delaying sleepiness. Think of adenosine as your body's natural sleep signal that builds up throughout the day, making you progressively more tired. Meanwhile, L-theanine increases production of GABA, a neurotransmitter that slows down nerve activity and creates feelings of calm. The timing matters more than you think. L-theanine works after absorption to promote relaxation, and you might feel focused during this window. But caffeine can stay active for 6 to 8 hours, long after the calming effects fade away. This means you could feel peaceful at 9 p.m. and still be wide awake at midnight. Research shows that 200 milligrams of L-theanine can reduce cortisol levels by up to 23%. Cortisol is your primary stress hormone, and lower levels help prepare your body for sleep. But here's the problem. 1 cup of green tea only contains about 25 milligrams of this calming compound. You'd need therapeutic doses from supplements, not normal tea servings, to reach the levels used in studies. Meanwhile, that same cup delivers enough caffeine to increase your heart rate and core body temperature when your body is trying to cool down for sleep. Your internal temperature naturally drops by 1 to 2 degrees Fahrenheit before bedtime. This cooling process signals to your brain that it's time to produce melatonin. Caffeine works against this natural cooling by stimulating your nervous system. Regular green tea drinkers may report feeling less jittery from the same amount of caffeine as their bodies adapt over time. The ratio between these compounds varies dramatically depending on how the tea is brewed. Steeping in cooler water can reduce caffeine extraction, while longer brewing times increase caffeine content. Your sensitivity to caffeine is higher in the evening when cortisol naturally dips. The winner of this chemical battle depends on your individual metabolism and the timing of consumption. But there's something else happening in your body when you drink green tea at night that affects more than just your ability to fall asleep. Before we jump to the next point, to keep this channel going, please hit the subscribe button. It truly makes a difference. Thank you. What if I told you that drinking green tea before bed might actually interfere with your body's most important cleaning process? Every night while you sleep, your body activates its natural detoxification system, but green tea creates an unexpected conflict that most people never consider. Your liver works around the clock to process toxins that build up throughout the day, breaking down harmful substances from food, air pollution, and metabolic waste. When you add caffeine to the mix, your liver must handle this additional compound alongside its regular detox duties. Your liver processes multiple substances simultaneously, but caffeine metabolism can compete for the same enzymatic pathways. Green tea contains powerful antioxidants called catechins that actually support your body's cleanup efforts by neutralizing free radicals and reducing cellular damage. These compounds can boost your body's natural glutathione production, which is crucial for liver detoxification. Glutathione is your body's master antioxidant that binds to toxins and helps escort them out of your system. Studies show caffeine consumed up to 6 hours before bed can reduce deep sleep significantly. Here's why this matters more than you think. Deep sleep is when most detoxification happens in your body. During these crucial hours, your cells repair damage and your organs work overtime to eliminate waste products. Deep sleep facilitates waste removal in the brain, which caffeine can disrupt. Think of this process as your brain's garbage disposal system that flushes out proteins that cause memory problems and removes metabolic waste that accumulates during your waking hours. When caffeine reduces deep sleep, this cleanup process becomes less efficient. But here's the twist that complicates everything. Some studies suggest that L-theanine might actually enhance certain detox pathways by reducing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress damages your cells and makes detoxification harder. L-theanine acts like a shield, protecting your cells during the cleanup process. What happens to your body's natural detox processes when you drink green tea at night? The answer is complex. While caffeine disrupts the deep sleep your body needs for optimal detoxification, the antioxidants provide raw materials for detox enzymes. Your age, metabolism, and overall health determine which effect dominates. This sleep disruption creates another issue that affects how often you wake up during the night. There's a hidden reason why green tea drinkers wake up more often at night, and it's not just about needing to use the bathroom. Beyond the obvious issue of drinking fluids before bed, green tea creates a perfect storm of sleep disruptions that goes far deeper than simple bladder pressure. Caffeine acts as a mild diuretic, and diuretic beverages can increase urine production, but that's just the beginning of the problem. Your kidneys work harder to filter fluid when caffeine stimulates them. This means more urine builds up in your bladder faster than normal. But here's what makes it worse. The timing couldn't be more problematic for your sleep cycle. When you wake up to urinate, waking to use the bathroom fragments sleep and makes it harder to return to deep sleep. Think about what happens during these midnight bathroom trips. You go from warm covers to cold air. Bright lights hit your eyes, and your body interprets this as a sign to wake up fully, not just briefly. Studies tracking sleep patterns show that people who drink caffeinated beverages before bed experience more frequent awakenings per night. Each awakening disrupts REM and overall sleep quality. You wake up feeling foggy and unfocused, even if you got enough total hours of sleep. The diuretic effect peaks 1 to 2 hours after consumption, which coincides with your body's natural first deep sleep cycle. This timing creates the worst possible scenario. Just when your body settles into its deepest, most restorative sleep phase, caffeine forces your kidneys to produce more urine. You're pulled out of the sleep stage that matters most for physical recovery. But here's what researchers discovered. Some find that L-theanine's calming effect helps them drift back off faster than with other caffeinated drinks. While caffeine wakes you up, L-theanine could reduce the time it takes to return to sleep. This creates a strange balance where you wake up more often but recover more quickly. To reduce nighttime urination, sip green tea at least 2 hours before bed. You're more likely to experience sleep interruptions, but the L-theanine may help you recover from these awakenings more quickly than other caffeinated drinks. Yet despite these disruptions, some people swear by green tea for better sleep. The science behind their experience reveals benefits that most people never consider. Here's what the anti-green tea experts don't want you to know about the unique benefits that only happen when you drink it before bed. While everyone focuses on the caffeine concerns, groundbreaking research reveals benefits that occur specifically during nighttime consumption. Your body operates differently at night, and green tea compounds interact with these natural processes in surprising ways. Your body's metabolism actually shifts into fat-burning mode more efficiently when certain green tea compounds are present during sleep. Green tea's catechins can support fat burning as part of your overall metabolism, and this effect works alongside your body's natural processes during rest. Growth hormone naturally peaks during deep sleep phases, typically between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. When catechins are available in your system during these hours, they work alongside growth hormone to enhance fat oxidation. Your body burns stored fat more effectively while you rest. Studies show that green tea consumption before bed may influence gut bacteria, potentially leading to improved sleep quality. These bacteria manufacture compounds like GABA and serotonin, which your brain converts into melatonin. More beneficial bacteria means better natural melatonin production. Your gut essentially becomes a sleep hormone factory when the right bacteria thrive. L-theanine supports brain relaxation and may improve sleep quality, potentially aiding memory consolidation. Alpha waves create a state between waking and sleeping that improves how your brain processes information from the day. During sleep, this relaxation effect helps your brain form stronger memory connections and process emotional experiences more effectively. You wake up with better recall and clearer thinking. Green tea consumed at night provides antioxidants when your body's natural antioxidant production dips. Your cells naturally produce fewer protective compounds during overnight hours. This leaves them vulnerable to damage from daily toxin exposure and metabolic waste. External antioxidants can support your body's overnight repair when natural production dips, protecting your cells during their most vulnerable period. Your cells perform most repair work during sleep when energy isn't needed for daily activities. Having antioxidants available during these repair hours maximizes their protective effects on your DNA and cellular structures. While green tea offers these unique nighttime benefits, they must be weighed against caffeine's disruptive potential. The decision isn't straightforward and depends entirely on your individual response. The truth about green tea before bed isn't black and white. It's about understanding your body's unique response and making an informed choice based on your individual sleep needs and health goals. Your caffeine sensitivity, metabolism speed, and natural sleep patterns all determine whether green tea helps or hurts your rest. If you decide to try green tea before bed, start with low caffeine steeps or decaf options at least 2 hours before sleep. Pay attention to how your body responds over several nights before making it a habit. Try different steep times and note your sleep quality to find what works for you. Comment below with your green tea routine. Please check out our next video above. See you shortly in the next video.